Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This video is about some candle psychology patterns. So those who are new here and want to join us, the link is available in the description. And I hope your trading journey is going amazingly. We have already discussed a lot of patterns, and we have also discussed different indicators. So in this video, I am introducing a new pattern and a new method based on candle psychology that you can use in your trading journey to improve your trading. So let's start our video. Basically, you can see this pattern in a ranging market as well as in a trending market. Okay, so how does this pattern work? Let me share some examples. Okay, here you can see 3 continuation candles, 3 red candles. After that, you can see 1 green candle, and then after that, you can see another red candle. So whenever you see 3 or 4 continuation candles, and after that you see 1 reversal candle, you can then proceed in the continuation direction. Okay, let me share another example with you. Here, you can see 2 red candles. After that, you can see 1 reversal candle. Then, you can proceed in the continuation direction. Okay, so you can see this type of setup in many places. Here also, you can see 2 continuation candles forming. After that, there is 1 reversal candle, and then you can see another continuation candle forming. Okay, so you can use this method in your trading journey to find potential trading opportunities. So let me share another example. Unfortunately, I didn't see any live trade in this video. I hope you understand how this method works. If you have any doubts, you can comment down below. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you found this method useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.